Hi guys!
Hi, welcome back to Rocky Martin's TV.
So,
You know what this is?
we have a challenge tonight.
Yeah,
Oh,
the bread and soda challenge.
So, that's what's gonna go down tonight, and we go see who the best contender is, because I know I'm going to win, hands down. I just know that I'll be the winner. Why are you
I'm showing my teeth. I'm getting ready for this. So,
people like Donkey Kong.
so guess what happened? Rakisha is gonna eat 5 bread.
No,
And how much bread?
I can't eat 5 bread.
Really? That's the part of competition.
No, that's
Look,
not. No,
the bread having 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 slices. I'm gonna eat 4. Rakisha eat 4.
No.
That's a fair deal. They wanna eat 2?
2 and then it's not get it carried.
Alright.
So 2 bread and the soda. So after completing the bread, then you drink the soda.
Alright. So eat 2 bread first. Eat half a bread first and then drink the drinks after.
So yeah. It's not about timing or anything, it's just who finishes first. Just like a contest.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have my 2. So these are the breads and these are the size, and they're burger buns actually. Burger buns. So it's 2, and we have don't cheat, don't stop eating, no. And we have to drink this soda, and it's fruity. That's a Bajan brand, and it's ginger ale. We chose ginger ale because ginger have, you know how ginger is. Ginger is a very serious thing. So
I'm hungry.
So when we use this ginger, we know that it's going to be very harsh. So it's going to be much more challenging.
I'm so hungry.
Let's get it on, people.
Yeah.
Let's get it on.
I need food. So, let's kick it off. Go for drinks. You don't done yet. We're gonna put drinks.
Yeah.
I don't done. So, let us start the timer.
No, it's not the timer.
The timer is see me running the timer.
Just
Because I'm gonna eat.
whatever I'm saying.
So, okay. On your mark. Get set. Eat.
Nothing back. Nothing back. Wait now. Boo, slow down. Slow down now? I'm already here. Wait. Like, it's still too serious now, nothing.
Drop time, huh? Mine.
It bread dry. Paul, I'm not gonna. I'm gonna upstairs. Wait. Silence is the absence of also a communication. Yeah? Moment of silence. Yeah. Look at me. Lord.
No, you're not done yet. You're not done yet.
Oh, wait, Mr. Tyler. Oh, Mr. Paul. Wait. No. Damn it. Move! You're too disgusting. No, you're unfair. You do something. The sabotage is this.
Yeah.
Yes, sir?
I'm vacuum
Look
the
here.
remote. You turn the vacuum.
This is a sabotage. You sabotage me.
Stuck in. You want two more?
You do it.
Two more bread?
Yeah.
Well, those bread give me a real work.
Look here. It's unfair. I won.
Yeah.
And this is a movie, not true.
Yes, she won.
You can rewind it here. See it there? I won. I did.
You
But
always
not but I try to sweet me up. Because you know you sabotage me. And you know you come and talk. Oh.
like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell me what you think, guys. Rakisha can't done her drinks. You want help?
This is my drink.
Tell me what you think, guys. Start giving those thumbs up right
Guys,
now.
I won, and you all know it.
So, guys, thank you guys for watching Rocky Martin's TV. Stay tuned, guys, every Wednesday for our next challenge. It may be silly, but guys, it is fun. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and share, and send it to a friend. Stay tuned for Rocky Martin's TV. Next week, Wednesday again, same time, same place.
Be sure to go and check my channel out, Lady Stand Out. I have videos there for you. Makeup videos or hair videos, etc. So you can go and check me out and you can support me as well. So bye.